What is good, guys? Today we're going to be taking this beautiful BMW F90 M5 out for a spin, and I'm going to be giving you guys my impression of it, and you're going to be seeing my reaction to it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. This car is a rocket. It's not that loud. Like, it doesn't sound as aggressive as I thought it was gonna be. Because the E63S sounded pretty aggressive. Like, that was a whole package on its own. But this just rides really well, like so smooth. God. Nah, this car's crazy. This car's crazy. Having driven both the E63 and the F90 M5, I can confidently tell you that the M5 is a better all-around car than the E63. M cars are outstanding when it comes to performance. The only point the E63 has over this is the sound. It's crazy how it handles for a car its size. You could feel where every wheel is. The shifts are so quick. M cars are sports cars you could daily with absolutely no repercussion. Do you guys think the BMW F90 M5 is the best in its class? Or is there something better out there? Let me know in the comments down below. The drive experience in this thing has been crazy so far. It is so hard to not want this car. It has every single thing you want in a daily performance, everything. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below what cars you guys want to see on my channel, what cars you want to see me react to, and much more. Turn your notification bells on if you haven't. The interior of the M5 is way better than I actually thought it was going to be. Such a solid build. Heated steering wheel. Everything just feels so sturdy. Goodness. Wow. Everything about the way this car moves feels purposeful. The more I drive M cars, the more I love them. But they could never sound as good as an AMG. That's where AMG got me.